How to improve your eyesight naturally with food. 10 best foods for eye health. As we age, our eyesight begins to age also. This is natural, however, we can do something to slow down how fast our vision deteriorates. We can do that with foods, and in this video, we will share those foods with you. The best way to keep your eyes healthy is through your diet. First, identify the types of food with the nutrients needed to nourish your eyes and, consequently, keep your vision clear. These foods will also reduce your risk for age-related eye conditions, including cataracts and glaucoma. Here are 10 of the best foods you can eat for optimal eye health. 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in various potent antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin E, and vitamin C. According to a study published by Clinical Interventions in Aging in 2013, these nutrients help reduce the risk for age-related macular degeneration. In addition, by eating more carrots, you reduce inflammation and oxidation, common causes of eye diseases related to aging. 2. Sweet potatoes. The orange variant of sweet potatoes has excellent effects on eye health. A study published by Food Science and Nutrition in 2019 pointed out that the unique nutritional composition of sweet potatoes makes it an excellent food source for those with vitamin A deficiency and other conditions that typically lead to poor eye health. 3. Melon. Carotenoids, zeaxanthin and lutein, are among the essential nutrients for optimum eye health. Although many look to green leafy vegetables to get them, a study published by Nutrients in 2013 reveals that orange melons or cantaloupes are an excellent option. Generally, the brighter the melon, the better it is for your eye health. 4. Avocado. Although they are not orange, avocados are also rich in carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help keep age-related deterioration at bay and will also reduce the risk for severe eye conditions. Additionally, it helps reduce inflammation, which has further positive benefits on eye health. 5. Almonds. Almonds offer a multitude of health benefits. For the eyes specifically, it is helpful because it is rich in vitamin E. This vitamin enables it to support clear vision, as well as prevent age-related macular degeneration. It also minimizes the risk for severe eye conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. Half a cup of almonds eaten throughout the day should give you all the vitamin E you need to improve your eyesight naturally. 6. Sunflower seeds. Like almonds, sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E. Eating a handful per day will help you fight some of the most common eye diseases, as well as macular degeneration that typically comes with age. It is also rich in zinc, a mineral that helps maintain the structures within the eyeballs. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in a wide variety of antioxidants, including vitamins C, A, and E. Additionally, these berries are packed with anthocyanins, which offer a multitude of health benefits. For the eyes specifically, this combination of antioxidants makes it an excellent fruit for reducing the risk of severe conditions like diabetic retinopathy, cataracts, and glaucoma. It also has positive effects on the treatment of dry eyes. 8. Guavas. Guavas are some of the richest dietary source of vitamin C, critical for maintaining healthy retinal cells. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin A, which supports optimal corneal health and improves vision overall. When eating guavas, choose the ones with brightly colored pulp to maximize the benefits. 9. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are best known for their vitamin C content, but they contain even more nutrients that support optimal eye health. In addition to vitamin C, these brightly colored vegetables are packed with vitamin A and carotenoids that keep age-related macular degeneration at bay. Consequently, it prevents vision deterioration and a wide variety of eye diseases. 10. Kiwi. Kiwi is another natural food filled with vitamin C. Eating these fruits regularly will help protect you from vision deterioration, blindness, cataracts, and macular degeneration. They are also rich in lutein, which supports healthy eyesight and reduces the risk for vision loss caused by aging. Eaten often, these 10 best foods for eye health will help you keep your vision clear. Additionally, it will provide the necessary nutrients to keep your eyes in optimum condition. So just by eating these foods, you naturally avoid aging as it relates to your eyesight, which will help you minimize your risk for eye diseases and vision problems. Following our references that we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.